Hello, how are you everyone? My name is Felix Mkaro. I come from here from Zimbabwe and I play an instrument called Mbira. Here in Zimbabwe there are two main types of Mbiras, the Nyunga Mbira and the Nare Mbira. The Nare Mbira is 24 keys and it's made up of 3 sections. This one is the other section, and this is the other section. Unlike the normal guitar or piano where you use chromatic scale, or the normal tablature system, the notation which is used in music, here it uses a different notation altogether. The section below uses alphabets. This is A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Then above here we have numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This key is an X, and then you have numbers going that side. So this is X, X1, X2, X3, X4, X5, X6, X7. So if you come across a book which has Mbira notation, those are the should I say the keys, or that's the pattern they'll be using for that. So today I'm going to be playing a track. I'll be teaching you a track which is my own composition, and I do hope you enjoy and you love it and you develop an interest to learn more about the Mbira, because the Mbira is an instrument which was used anciently here in Zimbabwe by our traditional leaders. During meetings they used to gather together and they always played the Mbira. They played Hosho, and it had a spiritual, they believed it had a spiritual connection with their ancestors. Even today, when you play it, it gives you a good feeling, and I believe it still has a spiritual connection. Thank you. Enjoy, follow the link, and you enjoy playing the Mbira. If you find time, you can buy one and be able to follow these lessons.